absorbs more light.
So as you can see, these colors are continue through the air and they're visible. In water, the further you get, what happens to the colors?
They disappear.
They don't disappear, they fade. And eventually they're far enough, you can't really see them. That's very similar if you go snorkeling or you go scuba diving. You go in the water, it's hard to see from far away, but when you get closer, you can see them. And depending on what kind of water you're in, obviously, you have a lot of factors. But light does not travel very well in water. It's slower. It slows light down. That's what happens in water. Check it out.
Especially at the ends of the visible light spectrum. So although up close, this triggerfish is super colorful, just a few meters away, at the distance, most predators roam reefs looking for a meal. Many of those bright colors can be
So the further you get away, the bright fish starts to turn dark or just kind of bland. It doesn't stand out anymore.
So the sun can't go fully down to
Yes, light does not reflect that far down. The further you get away, the less light works or is visible.
Here, the whole fish ends up looking bluish. Water is also full of particles that scatter light, which creates a kind of visual haze.
The water scatters light. It moves it all over the place. You can't really see that well down. Okay, so it's very important that you understand that light travels differently in a different medium. What do I mean by medium? Not medium drink or medium fries. The medium you guys are thinking of. The medium talks about air, water, sound travels through. What medium? What is travel? What material is traveling through? You like it? You okay? You need a break? You all set? Okay. Listen.
Close your computer. It dulls colors even further. Add in a background of mottled coral, some flickery underwater shadows, and the pretty poor visual resolution of most underwater predators. And that brightly colored fish has become basically invisible. So on a coral reef, the risks of being conspicuous aren't as big as they are on land. Yet the benefits are huge. Coral reefs are some of the most diverse ecosystems in the world, where tons of tiny fish are packed in like, well, sardines, and need to be able to know who's who, both within a species and among species. Bright colors and wild patterns are great tools for this, and because these little fish are interacting at such a close range, the tiny bit of water between them.
Page 11 is the beginning, the first page you'll see. Go ahead and find it here. Go ahead and find page 11. No, page 11. Oh, page 12, sorry. It's on page 12. I got 11, 12, my bad. Page 12, this one. If you're on 11, fine, but go to 12, please. Where knows that? Each page 12 is what I'm looking for.
Doesn't scatter or absorb much light, where colors still look really bright. In other words, brightly colored reef fish get the best of both worlds. They can be super conspicuous to each other, while also being well camouflaged from predators. It's this weird quirk that makes coral reefs some of the most colorful places in the animal kingdom. But if conditions on a reef change, the benefits of bright colors could disappear. For example, if warming temperatures force fish deeper, or less light means colored fish being in close range, or if corals start dying off and you can't pack in as many species, bright colors won't be as helpful for communication, and reefs can become much more drab. In some areas, like the Great Barrier Reef, where corals are degrading quickly, scientists have already started to document fish evolving into less colorful forms. And that's something that should make all of us a little blue.
So coral reefs are dying. The coral reefs are slowly dying, and it should be concerning to everyone because we don't know how to get it back. They're trying to go over science and laboratories, but it doesn't work out.
Oh, not this again.
Describe that actually been growing on reefs. It's actually helping the ecosystem.
What is dumping things in the ocean?
They drain everything out of them because it's literally metal.
So on page 12, starting at 11, we are drawing this. Page 12. You won't see a fish because you don't have a fish. You have to draw the fish. Here's it, there's no light.
Yes, we can see hope.
What is happening here in this picture, David? Where is the light being transmitted from? What is this round ball of gas in the sky? The sun is transmitting light. Draw the sun, please. Put some effort into it. Make it look nice. We'll get you tickets. If you just do a regular job, I'll give you a ticket if you're working on it. Left corner.
Can I have a shirt? Please.
You need a what? There's a sharp in the back. Go ahead and get up and sharpen the pencil. The sun is transmitting light. Show them what light is transmitted. What are the colors, the main colors? You should know that. You should write it. Roy, G, that is being transmitted. Transmitted means to send down. The light hits the fish. What color is the fish, Mia? What color is the fish? White. Let's find out what color you like. Grandma. She said blue. I'm not asking you. Dad wants a blue fish. So you do. Red blue, red fish, blue fish, white fish, that kind of thing.
Yeah, right.